you learn English grammar, there are many parts of English grammar, one of which is the article that we will learn in this video. Articles used in the English language. In this video, we will learn how to use the article. Which this article? Yes, it's a and the. Articles divided into two parts. One, indefinite article, and second, definite article. What is meant by indefinite article and definite article? Look at here. A or an is called the indefinite article and the is called the definite article. Indefinite article, it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing, and definite article, it points out some particular person or thing. The articles are in fact demonstrative adjectives, their paramount importance in the study of English language. So, we start to learn using of articles. First, a is used before 1. A word beginning with a consonant and singular countable nouns. For example, a ear, a hero, a pen, a teacher. In these examples, Y, H, P, T, they are including in consonants and ear, hero, pen and teacher, they are including in singular countable nouns. When you are using two consonant and singular countable nouns, last time you use their beginning with these words article a. Second, vowels having the sound of yo like consonant. For example, a union, a university, a useful book, a uniform. Here gives two examples of beginning with letters vowels u, but its sound is like consonants, so we can use their article a. 3. The word one which begins with the consonant sound of va. For example, a 1 rupee note, such a one a man, as a rule has to be used again and again as a rule in different sentences in the order, then the subnouns are used before the first use of that noun and the subnoun after the later use. For example, this is a book. The book is written by Tagore. In this sentence, first sentence use article a book. Book is noun, so you can use there before this words article a. Number 5. An adjective before a common noun and that adjective begins with a suffix, we can use a. For example, I saw a small child weeping for toys. Here, child is common noun and used to adjective small, so we use there before this common noun and adjective beginning article a. Second, an is used before number 1. Word beginning with vowels. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. These are 5 vowels in English language. For example, an ass, an enemy, an inkpot, an orange, an ox, an ugly man. Means when words beginning used two vowels later, last time you use beginning with these words article an, like an enemy and inkpot. Number 2. Words beginning with a silent H. For example, an hour, an honest man, and here. Look at the spelling. First, an hour, H-O-U-R, but here H is silent, so that time you can use before these words article and, like this type, honest man, Honestman. These words before we can use article and because in this words first letter H is silent. Third, use before words indicating nationality. For example, Neha is an Indian. In these examples gives to Neha's nationality, so we can use their before this nationality article and Neha is an Indian. Then use of the. First, the is used with universal truth. What is meant by universal truth? Universal truth means those all things they are do not change anytime and anywhere. For example, the sun. Sun is universal truth, so we can use before these words article the. The sun rises east. The stars, the universe, the oceans, the mountain ranges. Second, when referring to any institution like, for example, the newspaper, the television. Number 3, use to indicate an entire species or class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The Indians are known for their culture worldwide. The rich man should help the poor man. Number 4, use of superlative form of the adjective. For example, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. In this sentence, using superlative form of the adjective, it's tallest, so we can use before the superlative form article the. Number 5, with names of people or countries, the is generally not used, but there are exceptions. Means when you can use people and countries names, that time you do not use before these names article the. But here gives to some exceptions. For example, the United Nations, the United States, the Indian Ocean. Then last part of this video is the is omitted before, means when we can do not use article the, name of towns, name of countries, name of persons, name of streets, name of the days of the week, name of the months of the year, name of materials. For example, neither gold nor silver is to be found here, means when you can use two material names, that time you do not before use the article the. Abstract nouns used in a general sense. For example, health is better than wealth. Then arts and sciences. For example, I do not like to study biology, means